Okay, they are attempting to put the peacock head on the peacock over here. We've been watching this for a while. As soon as you hear the crane actually moving, you know that something's happening. But this guy over here has been really trying to do something. I don't know what. Oh, there you go, there you go. Woo, peacock. How cool is that, huh? This is actually one of the most beautiful floats I've seen so far. All right, so now they're going to put the peacock onto the top. They're going to put the head onto the top. Let's wait. They are a beautiful bird. I guess everybody needs to be in position to make sure that it gets put correctly onto the body. Wow! Oh my God, what an operation. Okay. Of course, they're all on walkie-talkies or whatever. Trying to position the bird. All right. It's going now. It's going. We got it turned. He's going to pull the cable. We're going to make sure that the head is in the right position. Okay. There's somebody inside the peacock who's handling this. Who's helping with the, I guess when they design it, they have to do that. Wow. What an operation. All right, there's probably things they have to screw and things they have to loosen. I am sure that the same people who build these things are probably the ones who are working on it here. All right, he's releasing the cable. Yeah, cable gone. Woo! Maybe we'll all applaud for them when this gets finished. The peacock is being assembled. Okay, now it's going down on top. I wonder what that's made of. The head is now on the peacock. How cool was that, huh? Okay. Rock on, Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade.